Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your gradebook and, if you ever need to, how to restore a gradebook. So it is recommended that you back up your gradebook at least once a week. So go ahead and do that on a particular day like a Friday. From the home screen, it only takes about 4 clicks to back up your gradebook. So I'm going to click on Gradebook on the left-hand side. Then I'm going to find Manage Gradebook. And I'm going to find the tab that says Backups. And then I'll just click Backup Gradebook, making sure that all of my gradebooks are checked. And that's it. That's all you have to do to back them up and keep your grades secure. If something happens and you need to restore your gradebook, you'll notice that Restore is right next to Backups. This is a little bit tougher of a process, but we'll go through the steps together here. Step 1, you're selecting a gradebook to load into. You're most likely going to leave this as load into a new gradebook instead of dumping it into a gradebook that you already have. So your first step is to just select Next. Now we're going to select the gradebook that we'd like to restore. So let's say I'd like to do this one. And we're going to select the time and date in which we would like to restore it back to. And I'll click Next. For step 3, you can add a gradebook description so that it creates a brand new gradebook. If you leave this blank, it's going to use the saved gradebook that's already there. For the tables, you need to make sure that you select everything. So you're going to want all of the scores, all of the students. And then you'll just click Restore Gradebook. Okay, now I'm going to just click OK to see what that looks like. And so I'll notice in my dashboard, I have the old chemistry gradebook and then the restored version here. I'm going to go ahead and compare the two, see which one I'd like to keep. And so if it's the restored version, I'm going to go to Manage Gradebook. And I'm going to delete the old version. So I'll click on that old one, click Delete, click OK. And then I'm just going to change the name of my restored gradebook and click Save. Now, if you found that was way too many steps for you, you can always just continue to back up your gradebook. And if you need help, you can reach out to the IT department to restore the gradebook for you.